There's a saying that you often get what you pay for, or in our case, what you don't get if you don't pay, if we don't have the budget to do sufficient maintenance. In many cases, we're just simply not spending enough on oil maintenance and testing. Large volume, high value oil systems and critical applications are obvious starting points, but even the smaller volumes in more general industrial settings can significantly benefit if we make the choice to increase spending on oil testing and maintenance. They say a penny pinched is worth a million lost is more than just a saying. I have seen real life examples where an 80 million failure could have been prevented with 40,000 in additional maintenance spending. That works out to only 80 cents in new spending to save 1 million. The business case on increased maintenance is there. It is critical that companies move past their short-term economic model and look at the equipment and oil life cycle over a longer term and consider sustainability when making their budget decisions.